It's officially almost football season, so we've got a new series for the month of August. I'm going to be cooking tailgate food. First up is my Supreme Pizza Bubble Bake. Let me show you how to make it. And go Vols. Start with 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. I wanted to show you guys, I just got these frying pans from Red Chef and I am truly obsessed. I got 3 different sizes. They are so sleek, beautiful. They are ceramic, non-stick, long-lasting frying pans. I got this small size, this medium size, this really large size. The Italian sausage is browning up. Grab 1 can of Pillsbury Grand biscuits. This is an 8 count. All right. Take some scissors and we're gonna cut these into fourths. These biscuits all cut up into little pieces, so I'm just gonna spread these evenly around. All right, I got some pepperonis. I'm gonna take scissors and fourth these up as well. Lastly, just add some bacon bits or cook your own bacon. And now I'm gonna add some frozen peppers. This is a 3 pepper and onion blend. I have like that much left, so I'm just gonna add that and let it cook in with the meat. Certainly add mushrooms, black olives, you name it. But you have fun with it. This is your tailgate. All right, so I just took the biscuits out. They were in there for 10 minutes and you can see they're getting a little bit golden. All right, now I'm gonna use some of this Yo Mama's marinara sauce. This is my new favorite brand for marinara sauce. Get this nice and spread around. We've got all of our meat and peppers cooked, so we're gonna spoon those in on top. That is a lot of meat. She's looking beautiful. So I grated up half of an 8-ounce block of pepper jack cheese. You use whatever cheeses that you prefer. I just got him a Tennessee collar for football season. It has been washed though because he's been wearing it and he is a dirty boy. Lastly, I'm gonna top with some Italian season. This is the Fire and Smoke Society Italian seasoning. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know this is currently my favorite Italian seasoning. I'm gonna stick this in the oven for like 20 more minutes or until it looks nice and cheesy and bubbly, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, this is ready. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen right now. This looks absolutely phenomenal. I got this, the dressing room buffalo ranch. Yum. Mmm. Let me know some tailgate recipes that y'all love and maybe I'll feature it.